With your vehicle connected to the cloud, Live will continue to evolve with new updates being sent to the vehicle. These include improvements to existing services or new apps, so you can be sure that your vehicle is always up to date with the latest Live features. To use the InControl Live feature, you first need to insert a data-enabled micro SIM into the SIM card reader slot in the center console's cubby box or a Wi-Fi connection. To use Live, your vehicle needs the initial update to be installed. This may have already been carried out by your retailer. If no initial update has been completed, then an initial update is required to install the latest Live features to your vehicle. To access the Updates feature, select Live from the Extra Features menu, followed by Updates. This initial update begins downloading automatically. The blue line above the Updates app turns into a progress bar showing the download progress. Or by selecting the Updates app, a progress bar shows the status of the download. Following the initial update, the vehicle needs to be shut down and then restarted to install the new update. To complete a full shutdown of the vehicle, press the Start-Stop button to turn off the engine. Leave and then lock the vehicle. Allow approximately 10 minutes for the vehicle to shut down. Return to the vehicle and press the Start-Stop button. On vehicle start, the new Live update installs automatically. Live is unavailable while the update is installing. Once installation is complete, you can access Live and its features. Occasionally, new updates are sent to the vehicle, which can include improvements to existing services or new features added. When a new update is detected, a green icon appears on the Updates app to show you there is a new update ready to download. To download a new update, select the Updates app, followed by Download. A progress bar shows the status of the download. Following the update, the vehicle needs to be shut down and then restarted to complete the installation. To access the Live settings, touch the Settings icon and then select Live Settings. Live Settings allows you to switch on the app usage log, set auto updates, and select the system configuration to view a list of the Live features installed in your vehicle. Selecting Deleting Live removes all downloaded apps, user accounts, user data, browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Select Yes to confirm the delete action, or No to cancel the delete action. A full shutdown of the vehicle needs to be made before Live is deleted and restored to its factory state. Please note, you need to be continuously connected via SIM data or Wi-Fi to complete these steps. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.